subscribing. Be sure to like, comment, and Aloha my kako ukulele friends, and thank you for coming back to my channel. It is Christmas season, so of course we had to do a Christmas song, and one of the all-time classics is Mele Kalikimaka, and you may already know the song. Some of you are hearing this song for the first time, and I thought it'd be a cool segue into the Christmas season. I do want to thank you guys for coming back week after week, for supporting this channel. Response has been incredible. And for those of you who don't know what we do at this channel, typically week to week we tackle the music from this book, which is called the Himele Aloha book. It's a great resource for learning Hawaiian music. It has about a little less than 300 pages of incredible Hawaiian music, but it doesn't have any kind of notation for you to follow along if you are interested in knowing the vocal melody for these songs. So I'm here to kind of guide you along, to welcome you into the world of Hawaiian music. I know it can be kind of an intimidating thing. This week is actually an English song, kind of a hapa song, and it's a song that is not in the Himele Aloha book, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of lead you through this song, which is called Mele Kalikimaka. And we don't really need the book for this one since it's in English, and I'll go ahead and put the chords right here as I typically do, and the words in English right down here for you to follow along. So go ahead and join me for this Hawaiian Christmas song, Mele Kalikimaka. Okay, and the strum is going to be very simple. So it's similar to one we tackled a few weeks ago, which is just basically up down, up down, up down, up down. But on the downstroke, I like to emphasize downstroke, which makes it a little bit more dynamic, a little bit more rhythmic. And the chords are going to be very simple. The chords are going to be C. Okay. There's also a G7 in there. And then an F. A C7. A7. And D7. So let's go ahead and just dive right into it. Here we go. Vamp in. Always wait for everybody to join us. G7, here we go. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas. Alright, good job. Now we're gonna go ahead and speed it up just a little bit so that we can make it just a little bit more energetic, okay? Okay, let's go just a little bit faster. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas, to say Merry Christmas, to say a Merry Christmas to you. Alright, good job you guys. And you notice at the end there I just put a little bit of a tag, which means I just repeated the last phrase a couple of times, and which brought us to the ending. And that just lets people know that the song is coming to an end. and this is where we're gonna end it, okay? Thank you guys so much once again for joining me week to week. And I really want to thank you guys for leaving incredible comments and suggestions. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps the channel a lot. I definitely see all the comments. It may take a little while to respond to the comments, but I definitely try to respond to the comments. And if you want to know more information about me, as usual, you can go to www.stevenespanyola.com. And also my Instagram right below is @StevenEspanyola. And once again, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. Don't get caught up in all of the materialism and all of the crazy lines at the brick and mortar stores. And remember what this season is all about is sharing that time in aloha with the family, friends, and making it special. So once again, thank you so much. Next month is going to be NAM, which I'm very excited about. So hopefully we'll do something special for that. I'll see you guys on the next one. Malama pono, ahui ho, and I'll see you guys next time.
Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas, a very, very Merry, Merry Christmas to you.